Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject English 2, Representing Teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. In our last video, we had learned about prepositions, a word which shows the relation between two nouns in a sentence is called a preposition. In today's session, we are going to learn conjunctions. Lesson number 21, Conjunctions, page number 49. The three conjunctions that we are going to learn in this video: and, but, or. So let's start today's session. First of all, let's understand what is conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. They join words or group of words or short sentences. Let's try to understand the three conjunctions: and, but, or with some examples. The first conjunction we're going to learn is and. We use and to combine similar ideas or add information. Here are some examples. Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. Here we are talking of Tom and his love to play to game. So, when we combine these two sentences, our answer would be Tom loves to play cricket and football. Second example, dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Here we are talking about dog and its qualities, and hence we join these two sentences. Our answer would be dog is a faithful and clever animal. Here the conjunction that we use is and to join these two sentences. Third example, this Friday is a holiday. I would like to go for shopping. When we join these two sentences where we are adding information, our answer would be this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go for shopping. The second conjunction that we're going to learn is but. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Here are some examples. Ram ran fast. He finished third in the race. Here we are talking of an opposite idea. And hence, when we combine these two sentences, our answer would be Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. Second example, Aryan wants to play. He is sick. So let's combine the sentences into one. Aryan wants to play, but he is sick. Third example, giraffe is tall, dog is short. Here we are talking about difference of height. Hence our sentence would be giraffe is tall, but dog is short. Now we move on to third conjunction, or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Here are some examples. Do you want ice cream? Do you want pizza? Here the choice is between ice cream and pizza. So, When we combine these two sentences, our answer would be, do you want ice cream or pizza? Next example, Chota Bheem can go to the park. He can go to the cinema theater. Your choice is between park and the cinema theater. So when we combine these two sentences, our answer would be, Chota Bheem can go to the park or cinema theater. Third example, is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Answer is it Monday or Tuesday? So children, in today's class, what we learn? We learn that conjunctions are joining words. We use and to join similar ideas. We use but to join opposite ideas. We have used or whenever we want to make a choice. So children, I hope you understood the concept of conjunctions. Thank you.